Hello, WordPress enthusiasts. We're here today to unpack the top 10 most exciting features of the highly anticipated WordPress 6.3 update. Are you ready to dive in? Feature number 1, Enhanced Site Editor Navigation. Introduced in 6.2, this feature is now even more powerful, allowing you to select templates, template parts, pages, styles, patterns, and navigation menus. Feature number 2, Pattern Management. WordPress 6.3 introduces an intuitive way to manage your patterns, both synced and unsynced, directly within the site editor. Feature number 3, Quick Page Edits. In the navigation menu, you can now select pages for rapid access and editing of your most recent work. Feature number 4, Block Theme Previews. This new feature lets you preview block themes directly inside the editor before activating them on your site. Feature number 5, Style Revisions. Want to undo changes to your theme styles? The new Style Revisions feature lets you do just that. Feature number 6, the Command Tool. This fantastic new tool lets you perform actions quickly using your keyboard. Feature number 7, the Footnote Block. A new way to add footnotes to your posts, making your references and annotations much easier to handle. And now, feature number 8, the Details Block. This is an innovative addition that allows you to hide additional information that can be revealed with a simple click. It's a game changer for interactive content. Feature number 9, improved padding and margin controls. With version 6.3, these controls are more compact and easy to use. And finally, feature number 10, link control enhancements. Create a new page directly using the Create Page button within the link control tool. Those were the top 10 features of 6.3 we selected. Thanks for watching.